Slim and stylish, this compact desk fan is designed to save limited desk space. Easy to get powered by the USB port and compatible with most USB-enabled devices, it's really convenient and energy-saving. The fan generates broader airflow as comfort as mountain stream breeze, keeping you calm and cool during steep summers. Casts cool breeze to wherever you want with two 20-degree pivoting fan to create optimized and efficient performance. The triangle-shaped structure will keep the fan in place at all times. As compact as a tablet, you can take it from home to the office. Carry the fan around and get the comfort just right for you. Slim and stylish, this fan will embellish your space to the next level. Optimized airflow that goes farther but feels gentle on the skin. This fan will boost your mood and undoubtedly improve your working efficiency.